Welcome to the video tutorial for the 3decision Storyboard. Storyboard is a 3decision collaborative feature that turns structural analysis into dynamic, interactive narratives. It consists of multiple scenes, each combining a customized 3D view of the protein together with descriptive text. This way, you can explain context and communicate insights step by step. Together, these scenes form a complete visual story. To create a storyboard, open your 3decision project in the workspace and load the structures you want to analyze in the story. From the Collection panel, navigate to the Stories tab and start creating your protein story. Add a scene title and description, then adjust the representations. Change colors, create surfaces, zoom in, to capture the best view that communicates your findings. Once ready, save the scene you just built and proceed to the next. Now that you have your story ready, save it, and you can then share it with your team. This way, they will be able to see not only the structures, but also the reasoning behind your design decisions. For more information, visit the 3decision website.